The next letter we are going to do is letter P. The big letter P is like this. I'll write it again. P. And the small letter P, similar way. The small letter P is similar. P. Put your lips together. Say together. P. 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 Now, I have a cake here. Can you see the cake? Okay, now this is the candle. We're going to blow out the candle. The shape of the cake is like a pink pig. Now listen attentively. Puff out the candles on a big pink cake. Puff out the candles on a big pig cake. Puff out the candles on a big pig cake. P, p, p. Put your finger. P. Put your finger on near your lips and say the sound P, P, P. Can you feel the breeze on your finger? P, P, P. That's the sound P. P. Say P, P, P. That's it. Very good. Now, some words please. Pen. We are writing with pen. Pick. Plate. Plate. Pencil. Pencil. Piano. Parrot. Parrot. Potato and many other. Pineapple. Many things you can write. Now, put your finger. Remember letter P sound. Come on. P, P. Blow out the candle. P, P, P. That's the sound of letter P. We all love ducks, isn't it? Have you seen ducks in the pond? And what do the ducks say? Quack, 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 quack. Right? We all love ducks. Now today we are going to learn the letter Q. Quack. The sound is quack. And the letter is little difficult, but you will do it. Now, it is like O, but written differently. Now, just like O, you will go from here, right down, and then a line from there to here. Look again. Like the O and a line. But the small one is like A, go up, come down. Like A, go up, come down. That is just like the A, come down and go up. Letter Q. You stand in a queue, but the sound is quack. Remember the ducks. Okay? Now we are all ducks. Stretch your hands out. Ducks. The ducks in the pond quacks. Quack, quack, quack. The ducks in the pond quacks, quack, quack, quack. The ducks in the pond quack, 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 quack. All around the pond. The letter Q sounds quack. The duck says quack, quack, quack. The duck says, but the sound is quack. First word, quail. Q-U. Quail. Quill. Queen. Q. Quarter. Quarter. Quilt. Letter Q sounds quack. Quack. Remember the duck and say quack for letter Q. Sound of letter Q, quack. Let's now learn to write the letter R. The big letter R is half P. You write a long line and then P. Put another line and it becomes R. So like this, and then you have the full circle going. That is R. From top to bottom, like P, and another line. And the small letter is one line and then another line. This and this. Write it like this. Now, the sound of letter R is R. Have you seen small puppies? I have a rag in my hand. What is this? An old rag. See my puppy. Rip the rag. See my puppy. Rip the rag. See my puppy. Rip the rag. When he pulled so hard. Rrr, rrr. Say it again. Rrr. And puppy pulls the rag, what happened? Rrr. The letter R, the sound is rrr, rrr. Okay? Now, so you have R, rrr, rat. Run. Rrr, rain. Rug. Rail. Ring. Rabbit. Rainbow. Rabbit. Rainbow. The sound of letter R, rrr, rrr. Remember the puppy pulling the rag, rrr.